just got here into the restaurant to have lunch before we can move to the later on for the photos. It's on the same place that we were before, São Vicente, and the name of the restaurant is Caravela. Seems to be quite normal with the lots of locals come here, and it's highly recommended. So let's have some fish and shrimps and something. So I came back to where I was yesterday to try it out another time to see if I can have more luck. The skies opened up a bit more. The waves are not as strong as it was, and maybe I have a shot now. So let's try for a second time and get the most out of it, right? So good luck to me. Much better than yesterday with the wife behind there looking. And I have my super protective system here against the waves. And here comes a big one. So I might have to run real soon. Oh, look at that. The colors are really starting to show up in the sky, and I'm trying to catch all of the waves that are passing through the rocks. And there is already quite nice. A very nice amount of waves. I get much closer now to the water and to the stones than I did yesterday, so it's it is looking good. I'm just bracketing my exposures now in portrait mode to see if I can get some more detail in these rocks here in the foreground. I'm still trying to catch all of these waves that are crashing up. It just looks so nice, much better than yesterday. Today it's gonna be a good day. Oh, here comes another one. Fantastic. Better be prepared to run. Whoa! Whew. Okay. I'll try again. So after that scare, I'm set up again, and as you can see, it's coming a lot of waves still. This is good. It's not as strong as it was yesterday. Yesterday it was impossible to do anything. Oy. I love how the water just passes through this gap and then creates little waterfalls inside of the little waterfalls on the top of the rocks. Oh, here, right here. Oh, it's a big one now. I'm hoping for some more orange or pink in the clouds. Maybe when the sun sets a bit more, then we're gonna get everything. But so far yellow, yeah, it's nice, but I want a little bit more of that Portuguese sunset color, Madeira sunset color. It's just so amazing, really. Sometimes I come to a place like this, I just keep on looking at the waves. Oh, some colors up there. I changed again, third time, looking for a composition. You gotta find it, man. You gotta go out there and be prepared to change if something works, even if something works, to try to find something better. I would like to find a puddle or something of more of a foreground interest. But the cliffs or the rocks are so steep that there is some rock, there is some green down there that would be nice to photograph. Gives a break of color from the rest of the scene. Maybe I can use some of these rocks here in the front, leading them there to the green part and then inside. I'm much closer now, as you can see. Because I would like to get some more foreground interest, but it has to be very balanced because the big rock in the middle is taking the entire sea out. So, and with a wide angle, it might be the only thing that you look at when you're taking the photograph. So, oh, let me go because that's amazing. All right, see you soon. The praises of our rubber boots enough because these babies Whew. Normal shoes, I would be falling all the time from here, but this is really stable. Like, you gotta bring those things to walk in slippery rocks like this. Like this. Oh boy. Here it comes. Woo! Can I hold this thing?
The spray comes again.
Okay, I think this is enough. This was very nice but very hectic because I really tried to get this shot. I'm not sure. We have to head down south tomorrow, so I wouldn't want to be traveling back and forth here to try for the same shot over and over again. And I don't want to push my luck anymore. After that last one, it came really close to hitting the camera. So I still have 12 more days. And since I'm only starting it would be horrible to already begin with a salty camera. It's horrible for all of this electronics, and this plastic bag is a must. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you guys around.